Welcome back to Simple English Radio, the podcast where you learn English through stories, fun conversations, and zero boring lessons. Today, we're starting something new, something exciting, something mysterious, a story series.
And I'm scared already.
Good, because today, you and our listeners will follow a mystery, one clue at a time, using English that's simple, natural, and useful for everyday life.
So we're detectives now?
You're a detective. I'm the brains.
Oh, well. Episode 1, and I'm already bullied.
Let's begin. It's Monday morning. Busy street, people rushing to work. Tom is sitting in a coffee shop drinking his usual... What was it again?
A caramel latte with extra caramel. Don't judge me.
While drinking your sugar cup, you notice something. Strange.
Yeah, a backpack under the table next to me.
Is it yours?
No, mine is ugly. This one was fancy.
Describe it for our listeners.
Okay, it was black, clean, expensive looking. No one was sitting there. The chair was empty. The bag looked forgotten.
And that's when you said the line that started everything.
Right. I asked the barista, "Excuse me, did someone forget a bag here?"
Useful phrase for listeners. Did someone forget this?
Exactly. And she said, "No idea, but it wasn't here this morning."
So the bag appeared after she started her shift.
Meaning, someone brought it in and left.
But why?
Let me guess. You want to open the bag.
Of course not. Not yet.
Oh boy.
Tom steps outside the cafe, and then something interesting happens.
Yeah, two people were standing near the window whispering. I heard, "Where did he put it?" And he said under table 7.
Table 7?
Yes, and the forgotten bag was under table 7.
At this moment, you had two choices. Pretend you heard nothing, finish your caramel sugar soup, and go home. Follow the mysterious people.
And I picked,
Number 1.
obviously, I'm not brave, but you told me to follow them.
Correct. A great detective needs courage.
I have courage, just very small amount.
Tom follows the two strangers down the street. Let's teach some English phrases used in this moment. Useful phrases. I think they're talking about something important. Should we follow them? Let's keep a safe distance.
I kept a very safe distance, like 3 countries away.
Tom.
Fine. 10 meters.
Good. What happened next?
They stopped at a bus stop. One of them checked his phone and said, "He said the backpack should still be there."
So they were looking for the exact backpack you saw.
Yep. And then they looked around nervously.
Describe them.
One was tall, wearing a green jacket. The other had a hat and kept scratching his chin. Both looked stressed.
Then came your brave moment.
You mean the moment I hid behind a tree?
Yes, that one.
For the record, the tree was very thin. It did not hide me.
Listeners, useful phrase. I don't want them to see me. When the men didn't get on the bus, Tom made a decision.
I ran back to the cafe.
Why?
Because the bag is the key. Something is inside it, and they want it.
So you returned, and the bag was still there.
Exactly. So I asked the barista again, "Are you sure no one asked about it?"
A useful phrase for lost items. Has anyone come looking for this?
She said no. And then she asked me, "Do you want to check what's inside?"
And you said,
No. What if it explodes?
Tom, it's a backpack in a cafe. The barista gently opened the zipper. You leaned forward, your heart beating fast. And inside the bag,
Was a notebook. Just a notebook.
a notebook?
Yes, black cover, plain, simple.
Anything inside?
Oh, yes. One page with a list.
A list?
A list of haircut appointments.
What?
Yes, it was a hair salon work schedule. Names, times, nothing mysterious.
So the two guys,
Probably needed the schedule for their shift or something.
the backpack wasn't suspicious at all?
Nope, they were just stressed employees late for work.
So the whole mystery was just nothing?
Nothing at all.
Tom,
Yes?
this is why we can't rely on you for detective work.
Agreed.
Listeners, we were about to end today's episode, but something just happened.
Yeah, when I returned the notebook to the barista, a small paper fell out.
A paper?
Yes, a receipt with a handwritten note. Meet me at the old library at 7 p.m. We are not safe here.
What?
Exactly.
Okay, so now it is a mystery.
Yup, and guess what time it is now?
What?
6:45 p.m.
And that is where we end part 1 of the mystery of the missing backpack. In the next episode, we go to the old library. We follow the note. We discover the truth.
Can I bring snacks?
Only if you don't drop them like last time.
That was one bag of chips.
See you in the next episode of Simple English Radio. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for part 2.
And remember, if you find a backpack, don't follow strangers.